He's coming here for Thanksgiving. I know, it's sick. Why is it sick? Because it's Richard's son. It's like inviting a Greek tragedy over for dinner. Hey, come on, Phoebe. You understand, don't you? Yeah, I could see where I'd be your best shot. But no. Sorry, honey. I think it's twisted. Yeah, what's twisted? Me going out with Richard's son. EW. Sounds like a really bad idea to me. Is he okay in there? He's fine. Hey, you know, man, if things work out between you and Richard's son, you'll be able to tell your kids that you slept with her grandfather. Fine. Judge all you want to, but married a lesbian, left a man at the altar, fell in love with a gay ice dancer, threw a girl's wooden leg in the fire, live in a box. Go first. Okay, welcome to America. Applause. Alright. Music. Oh my gosh. 2 in a row. You got to use your tongues now. What are the odds? Okay, that's enough. You know, let's let someone else play. Hey, if you didn't want to play, then why would you come to the party? Hey, you guys, check it out. Guess what job I just got? I don't know, but Donald Trump wants his blue blazer black. What blue blazer back? He wants it back. But you said black. Why would he want his blue blazer back? Well, you know what I meant. No, you messed it up. You're stupid. Oh my god. No, shoot, kitty. No. Shoot. Come on, you. Come on. Crazy. Oh my god. What? Nothing. What's wrong? I just have this really strong feeling that this cat is my mother. You mean the mom you met in Montauk? She was a cat. No. She was a human lady. This is the spirit of my mom, Lily, the one that killed herself. Are you sure she's in the cat, or have you been taking your grandma's glaucoma medicine again? No, Dr. Skeptismo. I'm sure. First of all, okay, there's the feeling. Okay, and for another, how about the fact that she went into my guitar case, which is lined with orange felt? Cats like fish. Hi, mommy. Oh, I haven't seen this smile in 17 years. Dude, Fo's mom's got a huge P. Let it go. I'm selling. Let me ask you one question. Do your friends ever have a conversation and you just nod along even though you are not really sure what they're talking about? Music. I'm telling you, it's totally unconstitutional. I totally agree. I think he deserves a Nobel Prize. No, I mean it was like the Algonquin kids table. Excuse me. I'm sorry. You haven't said anything for about 2.5 minutes. Are you at all interested? Yeah. Well, yeah. Oh, yeah. We can't go now. It looks like Rachel's going to put on a skit. Oh my god. Have you lost your mind? No. I am finally thinking clearly. My lucky dress wasn't working out too well for me. But for 4 years, this baby never missed. Rachel, I can't let actually. I kind of want to see what happens. Hey. Nice a costume. Oh, yeah. But I wanted to give Emily a big American goodbye cheer. So, okay. Ready? Okay. Give me an E. Give me an M. Give me an I. Give me an L. Give me a Y. What do you get? Emily. Okay, that's me who's a cheerleader. Tada, fine. I'm fine. I just lose your tooth. It's no big deal. I have a dentist, you know. I'm going to open up to my side. Excuse me. Okay, what do I do now? I think you are done. Okay, time to take off the bra. Laughter. That was really great. But I got to take off. Actually, take off. Alright, come on. Let's go get your coat. Okay, Rachel is my girlfriend. Gentlemen, you are up first. Okay, you have 30 seconds. The lightning round begins. Stop it now. What was Monica's nickname when she was a field hockey goalie? Big fat goalie. Correct. Laughter. Rachel claims this is her favorite movie. Dangerous Liaison. Correct. Her actual favorite movie is Weekend of Bernie. Correct. In what part of her body did Monica get a pencil stuck at age 14? EW. No, her ear. Alright. How many categories are there? Everyday use. Fancy guest. 2 seconds. 11. Unbelievable. 11 is correct. Yes. Alright. That's 4 for the guys. Ladies, you are up. Come on. 30 seconds on the clock. 5 correct questions wins the game. The lightning round begins now. What is Joey's favorite food? Sandwiches. Correct. Chandler was how old when he first touched a girl's breast? 14. No. 19. Thanks, man. Joey had an imaginary childhood friend. His name was Maurice. Correct. His profession was space cowboy. Correct. What is Chandler Bing's job? Oh gosh. This has something to do with numbers and processing. Well, it can carries a briefcase. 10 seconds. You need this or you lose the game. It has something to do with transponding. He's a trans monster. That's not even a word. I can get this. Applause. He can't talk right now. Why not? What's going on? Well, he's trying to show Joey how much he means to him by being in a box. Joey had reasons. They were threefold. You not being able to talk might actually make this easier. Listen, I don't want to be someone who comes between two best friends. I can't stand seeing what this is doing to you guys, and I don't want to be the cause of that. So, I don't think we can see each other anymore. I'm going to go to my mom's in Chicago. I'm going to stay there for a while. I think this could have been something really amazing, but this is probably for the best. I'm going to miss you. Goodbye, Chandler. Open the box. Alright, there's a nuclear holocaust. I'm the last man on Earth. Would you go out with me? I've got canned goods. Hey guys, take a look at this. Check this baby out. Dug me a hole. Excellent hole, Joe. Oh, no, my hole. What is it? Jellyfish sting. OW, it hurts. Can we help you? You want us to take you back to the house? It's like 2 miles. Yeah, and I'm a little tired from digging the hole. Oh, damn the jellyfish. Damn all the jellyfish. I got to do something. Well, there's really only one thing you can do. What is it? You are going to have to pee on it. What? Rose, don't blame me. I saw it on the Discovery Channel. You know what? He's right. There's something like ammonia in that kills the pain. Well, forget it. It doesn't hurt that bad. If you want some privacy, you can use my hole. Pass the cheese, please. My God, you can't even look at me, can you? No. Hey, it's Phoebe. We can talk to buy. No, I'm too depressed to talk. I'll give you $1,000 to talk to us. Hey you guys, what do you think about making that beach trip an annual thing? No, alright, that's it. You guys, what happened out there? We took a walk. Nothing happened. I came back, but nothing all over me. Come on, what happened, Joey? Alright. No, Joey, we swore we'd never tell. They'll never understand. We have to say something. We have to get it out. It's eating me alive. Monica got stung by a jellyfish. Alright, I got stung bad. I couldn't stand.